So hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video I will show you our trades for today and explain them why we took each entry step by step. So the session started right here and our first signal was for CAD 5 minutes down. This was a very good win, and in this trade the market was rejecting from a strong resistance level, so we expected a downside trade here because there was a selling pressure from this side at the resistance level, and as soon as the price touched the resistance level we took a down trade with a good entry and we won it. The next signal was for CAD 5 minutes down again. In this trade it was also a very good win. A bearish continuity pattern was formed, and this was confirming that there will be a trend continuation, and the trade was taken for the downside with a very good entry and we won it. Amazing win. The next signal was for USD 5 minutes down. Again, a very good win. In this you can just see there was a clear downfall and strong bearish candles were forming. This was showing that sellers were in control, and we entered a downside trade here with a very good entry at the moving average and we won it. The next signal was for USD 5 minutes up. This was a loss. The next signal was for EuroCAD 5 minutes down. Again, a very good win. In this, the price was trading below the moving average, which means this was a clear downtrend and it was indicating a bearish market structure, so we took a down trade at the moving average, and with a very good entry we won this trade. See here, entries matter a lot. If I would take this entry here or here, I will lose this trade, but I took a very good entry. I waited for the entries and I won this trade. You always have to keep the entries in mind. You just have to take the best entries out of every trade we give. So for now, multiple wins for today. Amazing trades. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.